Today we will be unboxing the Riester diagnostic set, including the EliteVue LED Otoscope and the L2 Coaxial Ophthalmoscope. Included in the box are the instructions for use, 2 smaller boxes, and a Riester zipper case. Inside the case, there is the battery handle, the EliteVue LED Macro-Otoscope head, a tube of 10 reusable multi-sized specula, and the Rescope L2 LED Coaxial Ophthalmoscope head. Inside the larger box is the reuable Lithium-ion battery, a charging cable, and a US 2-pin adapter. Inside the smaller box is the USB medical-grade charging unit. Attach the US 2-pin adapter to the charging unit by pushing the button on the unit down and sliding the pin adapter in. Release the button once in place to secure the attachment. Insert the charging cable into the charging unit by using the USB end of the cable, and insert the smaller USB-C end directly into the battery. Plug the charging unit into an electrical socket to charge the battery. You can also charge the device when it is assembled. The reuable lithium-ion battery easily screws directly into the battery handle. To attach the EliteVue Otoscope head, align the bayonet fitting of the otoscope with the bayonet fitting on the collar of the handle. Push the head down into the handle and turn clockwise until it locks. An audible click confirms it is secured. Once you have attached the EliteVue Otoscope head and inserted the proper battery, your device is now ready for use. To turn your device on, twist the black collar on the top of the handle clockwise. There is a plus and a minus sign on the handle. Twisting clockwise or towards the plus symbol will immediately turn the device on to full power, and a green light will illuminate. To turn the instrument off, turn the collar in the direction of the minus sign, or counterclockwise, and hold until the green light turns off. You will need to hold the collar in the off position for approximately 2 seconds to completely power down the instrument. This feature also allows you to dim illumination during use. To dim illumination, turn the collar with short, simple twists to stair-step the light intensity down. If you accidentally forget to turn off your instrument during use, all Riester Rescope handles will automatically power off after 180 seconds, helping you preserve the life of the battery and the bulb. To eject the specula, press down on the blue button beneath the lens. You will hear a slight rattle from the otoscope head when there is no specula attached. This is normal, and it means that the spec eject feature is not engaged. To attach a specula onto the otoscope, firmly press the specula onto the specula fitting. It is the silver ring integrated into the face of the otoscope, and you can twist this slightly to ensure it is engaged. To remove the otoscope head, turn the head in a counterclockwise direction. You will feel the head lift slightly, separating from the handle once it is disengaged. With the lithium-ion battery already installed into the battery handle, secure the Rescope L ophthalmoscope head in the same way as the EliteVue Macro-Otoscope head. Again, you will hear an audible click confirming it is secure. The Rescope L ophthalmoscope is now ready to use.